right? So let's talk about 30-minute affiliate. Let's talk about structure and strategy for affiliate promotion. So before you even get started, you should already be in a communication mode. We talked about that the other day. Build in asking questions of your subscriber list and write to them every single day. Provide value every single day, right? That's not a secret. And then the key to an affiliate promotion is this: the value you're giving to your client in the promotion. And then you and I should not be dependent on affiliate marketing to meet whatever our goals are. Right? So affiliate marketing should be extra. Now, again, I realize some people make this their full-time, their full-time, let's say their full-time business. But ultimately, if you are a product creator or you are a service provider, then that should be your primary business. Affiliate marketing or affiliate promotion is extra. Right? Now, it should supplement your goal, because if you do that, you're going to make all the right decisions about how you go about picking affiliate offers. Typically, if somebody has to depend on an affiliate promotion in order to make their money for that month or to make their money for that quarter, they'll promote something that isn't necessarily in their best interest. They'll promote something that's outside of their niche because of the let's say the bright shiny object is you can make a lot of money because everybody's making money promoting this. Well, is that going to be good for your subscriber list? And the only thing that drives people to make those decisions and what I would say would be a way that's contrary to their best interest is that they come to a point in the month or in their business where they need that affiliate marketing in order to make their goal. And I do not think you should be depending on affiliate marketing to make your goal. Okay, so a good affiliate promotion happens in the 30 minutes you spend every day getting to know and provide value for your client. And so one of the best things that you and I can be doing is sort of before any affiliate promotion, we should be writing to our subscriber list every day providing value, right? And that typically is going to take you 30 minutes every day to provide something of value. It's going to be worth it when you actually have to do an affiliate promotion. Just be willing to test it over time. And again, I'm just talking in general right now. And then use an autoresponder that tracks your open rate and clicks. The major autoresponders do that: Aweber, GetResponse, Constant Contact. Now, again, I've heard that it can be difficult until you know how to use them to get into an inbox, but there are ways that you can actually go about email marketing to get into the inbox. We want to talk about affiliate marketing, though. And basically, your traffic is going to determine the offers you choose. Who are the people who are already on your subscriber list? Are they buyers? What did they buy? Because all subscribers are not created equal to you. And that does not mean that they're not all worth your time. It means then that if you created some software and you built a list of software buyers, then thinking about you're thinking about the PLR offer that just came out and you're going to promote it may or may not be the best thing to be doing. And so this is one of those things that we want to sort of think about. How did the people come onto our subscriber list? And so what can we then do in order to kind of make their lives better based on what they already bought? Just because everybody's promoting something already, it doesn't mean you have to do it. And just because everybody's making a lot of money with this one thing doesn't mean you have to do it. Doesn't mean you should do it, right? And I've seen this with affiliate marketers. I've seen this with internet marketers. You sort of get outside of your lane and then you start promoting things. And then this is how it comes to the point where a person can start depending on affiliate marketing, because what ends up happening is you just kind of burn out your subscriber list on other stuff, right? When somebody comes to your subscriber list, they came to you because they bought something from you. You sort of understand, you know something about them, and you want to, in my opinion, try to stick in that frame of reference so you continue to help them for the reason they came to you in the first place. All affiliate offers are not equal. Pick offers based on those that will benefit people in the way you came to know them, right? So if you came to know them because you provided a service and that service was, let's say, that service was doing installation, right? Continue to pick things that are related to that, right? Continue to pick things that they know based on what they've already bought, right? Don't try to guess, right? Because you see that there's a big launch. It's a big time marketer. They're going to be paying some big time commissions, and there's room for all that, right? We don't have to be teetotalers. We don't have to be sort of locked in anything. But what I'm saying to you is that you can be just as profitable, kind of focused, instead of being all over the place, just kind of grabbing something just because something is supposed to make a lot of money. There are a lot of ways to make a lot of money in internet marketing. Those are the part of your opt-in list. Let's say they didn't buy from you. How did the people who got into your opt-in list, how did they get there? That's what you want to start thinking about when you start thinking about what kind of offer you're going to be promoting. If you know the people, how they got to you, then picking an offer should not be very difficult. And then of course it always comes back down to, right, what problems are they trying to solve every day, right? When you know that there is a product that will solve a problem that the people on your subscriber list are having, you need to promote that product, and it really does not matter if there's a launch or not. All that really matters is that you know it and that you know it's going to benefit them, right? So don't feel like just because you're not promoting a launch, first of all, you're not going to make any money. That's just not true. I mean, you can actually earn as an affiliate, and you don't have to promote things that are associated with a launch, right? In fact, in some cases, you're going to be competing against probably nobody, right, on a particular day. So what's a good offer, right? My first question to you, if you were to sit down to me, you were to ask me what a good offer is, I'm going to ask you, well, what's the price point your subscriber list to purchase from? And you ought to know that based on what you sold them and what they became part of your list on. What was the price point? Right? You should have a pretty good idea of what the price point is going to be. And look, if something is a good offer and you want to promote it and it's way out of your league, then listen. Not way out of your league. That's a bad way to put it, but way out of the price range of the people that are going to be part of your email marketing list, then man, there's no reason necessarily to take a 2 or 3 days and promote something that is not necessarily going to even be in their price range. If you had somebody come to you from an affiliate marketplace, it's a good chance you may have success in that marketplace. So in other words, let's say you sold something on Warrior Plus. There's a good chance that if you found an offer on Warrior Plus, that offer will work for you. If you launched on JVZoo and that's how they came to you, there's a good chance that if you want to promote something, you can probably find somebody to promote something well on JVZoo. The other thing is, now when you start doing it, you're going to hear a lot of words, right? People are going to start talking about EPCs. They're going to start talking about conversion rates, and quite honestly, folks, those are just words. It's not always going to be the sole thing you and I need in order to make that decision. Because, the fact of the matter is, with people going to landing pages first, you and I really don't necessarily have a true picture of the conversion rate of anything as an affiliate. We don't have a true picture of, let's say, the EPCs, because again, people are, if I say gaming the system, it sounds negative. It's not meant to be. It's just that number is not a true number. The only way you can get that true number is if I sent people exactly from one link to one straight to the offer, and they were all going that way. I could make an assessment, but I can't do that because lots of people are going to be coming in different ways. Some are sending people straight to the offer, right? So again, and then, so those statistics can be misleading. Now, what you want to do with statistics is you want to look at the trend, and you want to look at how they move. So in other words, it goes back to calculus, right? It's moving numbers. So in other words, how do the numbers trend? How do the numbers move? Is EPC going up? Is the conversion rate going up? Is the conversion rate steady? What's happening so that so if you're looking at the trend, I think you can't go wrong. But if you're looking at exact numbers, those can be deceiving. Promote people that are going to take care of your clients, right? Do that. Don't promote anybody that you know is not going to take care of your client. I don't really care how well the product sells. I don't care how cool it is. Because more than likely, listen, if you know somebody is just a flat out jerk, they're probably going to treat your client that way. and they're gonna, if your client ends up asking for a refund, that's not going to get you what you want, because that's going to come out of your commission. So again, you need to start thinking about, is this somebody I would buy something from? Is this going to be somebody I would do business with? Because if it isn't, quite honestly, if you don't care much for the person, your client's probably not going to care much for them either. And those are going to always be the decisions you're going to make, and you end up probably with refund rates that are higher than you want to. Yeah, you want people to trust your recommendations, right? So definitely get people that are going to take care of your clients. But even if you think that that's a little too airy-fairy, or you think that's a little too, I'd say, Pollyanna, then do it just for this reason. Get people who are going to take care of your clients, because you don't want to deal with refunds coming out of your account, right? So again, if that's just a little too, pie in the sky, you want people to trust your recommendations, do it then for just the fact that you don't want to have a bunch of refunds.